For fresh juices will clean your kidneys and purify your blood. There is a long list of the functions that kidneys perform in our body. First of all, they are responsible for eliminating the dangerous toxins from the body. If their function is disrupted, this will lead to an accumulation of harmful toxins and chemical substances in the liver and kidneys, which in turn will cause numerous health problems. There are two things that are of utmost importance so you will be able to reduce the stress on your kidneys and maintain a proper health: a healthy diet and a proper lifestyle. By consuming organic beverages you can effectively eliminate the accumulated toxins. The juices that we are going to present are very easy and simple to prepare. They are made of fresh vegetables and fruits that are packed with powerful antioxidants and nutrients that will purify your blood and clean your kidneys. Follow the instructions below. 1. ACV Renal Cleaning Beverage. Needed ingredients: ACV, a few lemons, drinking water. Directions: it is very easy and simple to prepare. Just put the ingredients in a blender and mix well. You should consume this drink for 4 days in a row. This will cleanse your bloodstream and kidneys and will improve their function and your overall health. 2. Cranberry juice. This juice can effectively reduce your calcium mineral phosphate amounts and reduce your risk of kidney stones. Cranberry juice can prevent suprarenal infections as well. In order to get the maximum benefits, make sure to use natural cranberries. 3. Beet juice. Beets contain betaine, a powerful phytochemical and antioxidant that has the ability to eliminate excess calcium mineral phosphate from the body and protect your kidneys. 4. Lemon juice. If you want to prevent kidney stones and improve the function of your liver, make sure to include lemon juice in your daily diet. You should squeeze 4 to 5 lemons in a glass of water and drink this as the first thing in the morning. This will detoxify your body and improve your health in general.